Hi, how are you? See below for ideas and tips on how to use fair cases in decoration. The reuse of products is on the rise. It is a sustainable way to live today, and the fair box has become the object of desire of many people out there. If you are part of this group, know that you are doing well. In addition to being a sustainable attitude, the reuse of this item can lead to surprising results, improving your decoration with super low cost. To achieve this goal, you can use both the wooden crate and the colored plastic ones. Both are super versatile, and can be transformed into pieces, such as wooden niches, organizing shelves and side table to compose the decoration of the room. A super simple idea is the coffee table. I even invite you to watch our other video with the step-by-step. It's here on the card or in the description. The shelves are very useful in organizing for environments such as the kitchen, and you can still give an extra charm to your walls, creating a vertical garden with boxes from the fair. These are very interesting ideas, don't you think? If you liked this video, this content, leave your like. Tell me if you already have a piece of decoration in your house with a fair box. Oh, and enjoy. Watch our playlist with lots of decoration ideas using fair cases. Just check the link here in the description or on the cards. I hope you got inspired. Good luck with your statement, and until our next meeting, bye.